The next question, my good friends, is saying solve the equation x squared minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Giving your answers correct to two decimal places. So if you have been given such a question and it always comes with the 5 marks, when you see such a question and you have been told to leave it in 2dp, what you do is you solve it using quadratic formula. So we have x squared minus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we correct our data. This x squared, its coefficient is 1, so our a is 1. And that x, its coefficient is negative 4, so our b is negative 4. Then we have negative, for our c it is negative 2. Why are we saying a, b, c? Because the standard equation of a quadratic equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So now our c is negative 2, our b is negative 4, and our a is the coefficient of x squared. We have 1x squared, so it's 1. So quickly, our quadratic formula, x is equal to negative b, positive or negative, square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. For Zambians, this quadratic formula is normally given at the back of the first page of your question paper, so you don't need to master it. Oh yeah, but yeah, you can still check it and do the job. So we're going to say x is equal to, and start replacing. Where there is b, we put negative 4, positive or negative, square root negative 4 squared minus 4, our a is 1 and our c is negative 2 over 2 multiplied by 1. So say x is equal to negative times negative 4, we get positive 4. Positive or negative square root. What is negative 4 squared? Is 16. Then say negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 2, we get positive 8. Over 2 times 1, it is 2. So now our x is equal to positive 4 is 4. Positive or negative square root. What is 16 plus 8? We get 24. So we are going to look at the square root of 24 over 2. All right, then after that we split this because you have a positive sign and a negative sign. So to be x is equal to 4 plus root 24 over 4 over 2, sorry. Then on the other hand, say or x is equal to 4 minus, here we have the plus, then the next one we have a minus, so root 24 over 2. Then we just get on our calculator and say 4 plus root 24. All right, we say equals, then divide by 2. All right, we have 4.449489743. Leaving our answer into dp, it will be 4.45. Why am I adding 1 to that 4? Is because this one is greater than 5, greater or equal to 5. So because of that, I round off to the nearest, right? So my first value of x is 4.45. Then we come this side. We say 4 minus root 24. Is that divided by 2? I get negative 0.449489742. Leaving our answer into 2dp, I know by now you know that our answer will be negative 0.45. So the other value of x is negative 0.45. That's how you solve such, and you get your 5 marks. As simple as that.